Did you know that banks lose thousands of dollars every hour due to unavailable APIs? Or are you ever been stuck waiting for a slow system to process your request? Today we will show you a powerful solution called service virtualization that can save you time, money, and keep your customer happy. Let's dive in. Today we will be exploring virtualization use case through a relatable example. Banker application. Let's break it down to understand in detail. Imagine you visit a bank branch to perform transactions like payments, loan dispersal, and any other transaction. Banker application in this case is a specialized software program used by bank staff to access customer information and perform transactions. Bank staff use this front-end application to interact with it through a user interface to perform actions as per the customer's request. API Gateway. Things get quite interesting here. It's a crucial component behind the scene called the API Gateway, and that acts as a single entry point for all requests coming from front-end application, that is, banker application. It acts as a central hub for all incoming requests from the front-end application. It understands the request and routes it to the appropriate backend API. Backend APIs. The banker application does not interact with a single system. It talks to a variety of APIs at the backend. These could be customer APIs, card APIs, payment APIs, and sometimes even specialized API called JDBC APIs. These are specialized software programs that handle specific functionality within the bank system. Like Customer API provides access to customer data, Cards API that manages different card functionalities, and Transfer API handle processing of various payment transactions. Now in this use case, let's understand what's the challenge. Let's focus on the Customer API. In our use case, there might be a situation where this API isn't readily available. Maybe it's still under development, or accessing it might be too expensive. This is where the power of service virtualization comes in. Service virtualization is the best fit here, where we can replace unavailable customer API with virtual API. Virtualizing the customer API offers several advantages like continued development and testing, cost savings, controlled environment, and many more. Next, we will be discussing how to achieve this virtualization of customer API in the next session. And we will even have a hands-on session to show you how a virtualized customer API can replace the actual one and the benefit it offers in practice. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.